Okay, simula na ang muling game. Tipo. Starting. Good Josh, Dos. Dos. Diretso with the Euro. By foul. Grabe naman yun. 8 seconds pa lang. Foul number 0. First personal foul. First kick foul. Iyo! Last attempt, Dos. Iyon, nakakala ng serve. Panoy. Nagdala na ng bola. Galing pa Toronto. Pass to Laure. Pass to Jantimo. Jantimo! Yasuna! Paul. Nagdala ng bola. Pass to Isaac. Pass to Paul. Kaso na ako ni Laure. Laure nagpapadali. Kaso na tao ni Lapasa. Isaac. Moving the ball. Pass to Kuya Jalen. Jalen. Pass to Cedric. Kaya pang mayip. Pass to Paul again. Sayang. Norman getting the ball. Lauri. Nagdala ng bola. Menes. Pass to Paloy. Paloy. Sobrang na. Back to Ramirez to win at S. Walang naman yung foul. Not good again. Back to the foul on it. Dos. Number 3 white. Contact. First personal foul. First foul. Norman in the first attempt of the video. Not good. Last attempt. Yo! Score natin 3-1 in favor of the yellow. Dos nagdadala ng bola. Pinagpipino na yung pass to Cedric. Pass to Ike. Ito pula. Nagkubi pa may Paloy. Paloy na lang mamadali. Naiwan ang bola. Kaasa ng kami ng pasa. Cedric, dito Euro. Si Paloy. Foul number 18. Paloy. Yanon, the baby boy. That's good. Good. By baby boy. Paloy, nagdadala ng bola. Nagdadala ng bola. Nagkakasama John. John! Big ball! It's all good. There's no foul there. Cedric. With the scoop layout, not good. Kasabi niya si Dos, ang bilis ni Dos! Grabe naman yung mga kapilay! Ang nagdala sa tanong pitik. Panoy, nagdala ng bola. Crossover, between the legs. Ayan na, pinasa ay number 0. Bumiki, bumalik ulit. Kalakas na konti. Naribang ni Norman. But Johnny Bo is there. Nakakuha ni Dos. Ayan na, nagpapadali na naman si Dos. Nagpapadali na naman to make mga... Dos. Grabe mo yan. Grabe siya. Paloy. Pinasakay na ito. John to throw. Paloy. Tasuna. Paul. Pass to Dos. Dos, pinamigay ball. Pass to Kuya Jalen. Kuya Jalen. Nag-aaral pa sa pass to Kuya Jalen ng baby boy. Kaso tapit. Paloy nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ako na yung gagawin niya. Pinasa ka. Pinalik. Ay Paloy. Insecure siya. Sabi lang. 7-5 in favor of yellow team. Dalawa na naman. Dos, pass to Kuya Jalen. Gandang pass na ba isa? Pass to sa bilay. Cannabis coming bitaw. Arcade nagdadala ng bola. Arcade Castillo nag-26 sa work. Para lalakaman ng rope. Hindi na mo. Kaso na nasa pasa. Kaso na nasa pizza. Dos ang nagdadala ng bola. Crossover between the legs. Pass to Duranon. Hinahanap si Arcade. Nasa may pa. Number 24. Number 24 foul. Kuya Jalen, nakakuha ko lang ng diretso. In the scoop, kaso John was there. Duranon, pass to Isaac na wala bola. Lucky ang bilis mo! Isaac, Arky is there. Arky nagpamadali. Naghahanap ng pamasahan. Resolve between Dinaras, Duranon na Baby Bull. Arky, pull up 3. And good. Paul, pass to Jalen. Pass to Dos, nagpamadali. Ayun na. Taas pa sana, nasa na bola. Step na natin ka, baby boy. Good job, gitna ka daw. Arkin, talang na bola. Jalen, ang bilis na mata mo ngayon, Jalen. Oy, nagpaw. Number 24, pushing back. Second personal foul, Arkin. 1-4 penalty. Kuya Jalen, president. Suwabe lang. Suwabe lang, Kuya Jalen. Grabe naman yung support ng Nick. Nick na Janice. Janice nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Arkin. Pumili ng chest. Pumalik kay number 7. Wala pa Janice din. John goes up. Nagin. Johnny! Ramon John. Lucky. Grabe. Nakalimutan na mag-dribble lang eh. Ball. Nagdadala ng bola. Galing pang night shift. Dos, dumina, wala. Nakuha ni Lucky to the rebound. At Lucky, pass to Nick. Nick, pass kay Lucky. Lucky. Johnny B. Wow! Arkin to the rebound. Tumila natin ba John's there? Mga super points. The great ball of China. Paul, nagdadala ng bola. Nagsiset lang play. Dumiretso. Sales. Kuya Jalen. Kick out ng Asa. Pulang 3. Not good, but Arkin is there. Grabe ang kasi Arkin. Nagmamadali. Ano kaya ang gagawin? John Paul. Back to Arkin. Sablep. Baloy. Nick out. Arkin. Pass to John. John was up there. Kaso. Paul was right there. Arkin again. Scoop there. And good. Paul. Pass to Cedric. Lucky. Ang bilis mo talaga laki. You're so lucky. Arkin, send the play. Screen by Jalby. Pass to John. Kick out kay Balon. Tumino ng tres. Pasok yan! Baka Balon yan. Ball. Ball na bola. Pass to kay Jalen. Kick out kay Guyano ng Baby Boy. Baby Boy. Baby Boy. Pass to Dos. 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 Kick out kay Isaac. Isaac pulo three. Paloy nagkaroon ng bola. Setting the play. Nakita si Lucky. Kaso malalim. But John is there. There's a foul on it. Foul on 4. Nakita ako kay Johnny. First person na palang bossing. That's a penalty. Dalawa pa ang penalty. John. Trying to get the ball back. Isaac was there. Johnny, pass it to Young. Now Baby Boy. Paloy, nagdala ng bola. Nagdadala ng bola, Paloy. Sending a play. Ituro ko sa pupunta. Pumwede ng pasa. Tila ni Arkin, hindi na wala. Paloy din. Ang sibag mo, Paloy. Jalby, Peron. Crossover. Ayan na. Baka Bossing. Sayang Bossing. Arkin, for 3. Not good. Isaac was there. Isaac, nagdadala ng wala, bring the ball. Back to the baby ball. Back to Isaac! Ang pakaray ko. Lucky. Balik to Arkin. Pull up 3. Rolling out. Sayang yun, Arkin. 25 seconds left in the first quarter. Oh. 4 right. Illegal ball. 10 seconds left in the first quarter. Sino kaya ang lalaban mo? Ayan na, Paloy. Pass to John. Behind the back. Pull up! Hey! The pass to Peter. By the Superman. That's the end of the first quarter. All 14. Alam mo na. Galing pang Golden State. Paloy nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Lucky. Backdoor in Bulok 3. Pega! Inspiration guys in the play. Dos, hindi na screen kay Guyano. Back to B1. Sayang B1. Kahit kakagisip mo lang. Paloy nagdadala ng bola. Galing pagturon na yan. Arkin kumenge, tuminanin, kaso na huli.
You need to stop. Please,
Rep.
I'm on it. This little tired. Stop.
Paloy nagdadala ng wala. Tuwi na ng 3. Wala yung out yan. Sayang yun. Rebound for Jeffsky. Dos, nalibre sa ilalim. Edmonton. Paloy nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Norman. Norman gives the ball. Pass to Lucky. Pass to John. Back to Lucky. Nagkakat na pasan. Nakakuha ni Baloy. Baloy. Nakakuha na sa Isaac Studic. Baby boy. Diretso. There's a foul. 24 goal and lucky foul. Again, we have a third personal foul. Labas na muna natin, magpalagin na muna. B1, pass to Dos. Dos with the Euro, but there's a foul. Number 29, foul, blocking foul. Kakapasok pa ng Bosing. Kalma ka ng Bosing. Dos. Ito na po. Pass to Jalen. Pass by Wilson. Pass to Pujemski. Pujemski! Baloy. Pass to John. Nice pass wasn't there. That's Superman. Pick up the pass again. All 19. Walang laman. 7 minutes left in the second quarter. Sales. Back to Tuyano. Good. Beat on to Chelsea. That's Superman was there. Baloy. Tignan na ng bola. But he finds Lucky, but John was there. But no contact was there. Cedric, dumping the boy at Mamadali. (19-21) in favor of white team. Baloy, nagdala na ng bola. Pass to Lau Jimenez, number 29, wala. Rebound by Boss, kaso ilaw na Bosing. Galing ka pa ngayon kasi. Saben. Cedric out. B1 out. That JJ Allo is here. Superman. Back to the power. Back to Chelsea. White can hold. The Superman was on the video line. First attempt. Pena. First attempt was good by Superman. Two by Superman. All 21. Walang Bosing. Pujemski. Naghahanap na sa pass to Dos. Pujemski. Pinalik ko kay Dos. Ano naman nangyayari? But John is there. Lucky. Nagkakaroon ng bola. Ang bilis malaki. Back to Baloy. Ayan na naghahanap na sa pass to John. Superman. Lucky. Pass to Baloy. Nagkaroon ng masahan, nangihingi ng screen. Pass to number 0. Abilis! Hindi marmay. Makareko. Take your time now. Dos. Pass to Allo! Number 18. Baloy. Pass to Ramirez. Pass to Lucky. The lucky boy. Baloy is there. Pinalik kay Ramirez. Mira, wala. Pat Pujemski to the rebound. Sales. Pass to Isaac. The steam rebound for the 3. Baloy, nagdadala ng bola. Setting up play by Baloy. Offensive foul. 13, illegal screen. Tada! Yellow team. Straight ball. Ball lang ang parada na daan. Ang bawal na ball. Isaac, pull up three. Not good. Rebound by Superman. Superman. All the way. Not good. Foul rebound by Baloy. Pull up. Not good again. Foul rebound by Big Boy. Big Boy nagpapalik. Nagpapalik mo sa kita. There. Sayang Big Boy. Sayang yun. Kaya sana. Lucky. Lucky boy. Nick, tayo siya. Kian Lucky. Inbound the ball. Baloy. Passos. Oh! But Cedric deflected it. Cedric, nagpamadali. Hindi. 21-29. Liberal 1-2. John Baloy. Pass to Superman. Superman! There's a foul. For Jemski. Foul. Second personal foul by Jemski.
Ako rin eh, Edward din bang kalaban.
Not good. But there's a good by Superman. Good. By Superman. Ball. Nagdala na wala. But di. Grabe ang hasa ng laki. Laki! Pass to Isaac. Not good. Tatabing Superman. What? Bimo was there. Isaac. Cedric. But Baloy. Next to Baloy. Tama lang daw. Baloy. Nagdala na wala. First point for Bonto. Baloy. Sayang. For Jemski. But Superman! With a 2 points. For Jemski. Throw in the middle. Pass to B1 with the break. Pass to Macareco. To Yannick the big boy. Not good, but Superman in the rebound. Baloy. Nagdala na bola. Shout out sa mga taong tita. Si Tita Pinorigel. I love you, tita. Baloy, tumila ng tres. Penal! Baloy! Oh, three! Oh! Sabi mo sila? Pasok na mga kuya. Borjemski, out ko muna. Diwalan, Salestin, and Percy. Baloy na daw ng bola. Baloy. Ayan na si Baloy. Umigot. Bumi na lang nasa naman. Wala. That lucky save it. But Superman was there. There! Wala na there. Sayang na yun. Sabi ni Janis. Sales. Kuya Janis. Drake lang. Wala tayo pa isa. The Steve River. Goal. Sat. Arcade. Name out. Grabe ang mga titas na kunder. Ang daming energy ng mga titas. 55 seconds serve in the second quarter. Baloy. Pinasa kay Lauri Menez. Tumira ang taas ko. Isaac. Nagmamali. Isaac. Running back. Big boy. Mira. Nagod na. Isaac again. Oh. White. Under step on the line. 32.5 seconds left. Keep it going. 30 seconds left. Macareco pull up 3. Not good. Come on, Mike. Baby boy. Baby boy, let's speed. Pass to Principal. Ball on the right. Takes a 3. Not good. 14 seconds left. Lucky, 10 seconds left. 6. Tanoy, 5. With a Euro, with a Superman. With a 2 points. Grabe ang yan. Pilitan.
White shooting.
Dos, ang talo ng ball. Pass to Persiman. Back to Dos. Pass to Bujenski. Back to Bujenski again. Pass to Bujale. Back to Bujenski. Bujenski sa kanya pa din. JJ for the 3. Not good. Bali mo kay Percy. Paling kay Dos. Dos. Uy, ano? Isot. JJ not good. Uy, nahuli na yung Jose. Langit, mas patuloy. Kaso yan. Kuya Jalen. Kuya Jalen. Iyo nawala ang bola. Goal ball down. Pojenski to the rebound. Pojenski. Nakuha ni Pojenski pa din. Toss. Toss with a Euro. Sayang na sana. Paliloy. Paloy. Nagal. Napapasan. Pass to Superman. Superman with a turnaround. Easy to Superman. Dos. Nagdala na lang bola. Tatapik ang bola. Kaso may foul. Blue 19. Sabrem. Nagkakram si Dos. Tayo na. You need some water, Dos. And put some salt on it. Or banana. Pojenski. Nakuha nila ni Boy. Kiyan lang sa akin. Dire-diretso lang. Dire-diretso lang. Pass to Puero. Outside pass by Baloy. Baloy for 3. Wala ka din. May kay Baloy mo din. Superman! 2 points. 35-29 in favor of yellow team. Kuya Jalen, dire-diretso, back to Isaac, no. Rebound by Arkin Castrillo. Kaya na daw, pero pinasa ay Baloy. Baloy tumike, nag-jump, Nastigel, pass to Arkin, pumabalik place, wala. Rebound ni Kuya Long. Turnover yun, bossing. Aray mo. Kuya Jalen. Kuya Jalen out. Uy. Uy. Asal tao. Kalma lang natin. Mayari na lang kayo takaro na. Sa mga pasok. JJ out. Percy out. Kuya Jalen. Balik kay Baby Boy. Baby Boy, pumalang sa kita, Pang Isaac, not good, but Isaac saves it. Kuya Jalen Benito, Pang Pang, wala ka din, Superman, laki pass to Baloy, Baloyski. Ayun na si Baloy, gumagawa na si Baloy, 15 minutes, with a big turn, grabe lang pasa, Kuya Jalen! Baloy! Superman! Back sa talo ulit. Grabe yun. Isaac. Isaac. Steve Reaper. All the way to the cow. Number 3. Laki. Pangalawang maliit lang boy.
Go, Isaac.
Pangalawang maliit lang boy. Isaac. Enough free throw line.
Go, Isaac.
Sima line. It's okay, Isaac.
Go, Isaac.
Second attempt. Sima. Arkin. Pass to Baloy. Baloy. Ang dadala bola. Nagsasay company. Screen by John. Superman. Out the pass by John Ball. Pull up. And one by Superman. Pass
Two white. Two white. One shot.
basket screen by Superman. Second person foul by number 2. Not good, but Archie was there. Has it on again. Iba na naman ang inspiration. Wojciechowski. Back to Isaac. Isaac pass to Pinoy with a big job. Not good. Panoy. Nagmamadali na si Panoy. Dire-diretso na yan. Makikita ni Panoy. Hindi yan. Sakit yan. Kamuha ni Pinoy. Pinoy nagmamadali. Dumiretso. May foul doon. Illegal contact by Superman. Number 13. That's your second.
Let's go, Cedric.
And warning for penalty ang yellow team. Sablay ang position kay Baby Boy.
Shift the ball.
Second attempt by Baby Boy.
Go, Cedric.
Sablay. Superman ang rebound. Arcade. Pass to Baloy. Baloy. Crossover. Crossover. Turn around. Back to Guerrero. Pass to Kian Laki. Wala. Back to Guerrero. Guerrero. Paul, grab it. But Guerrero was there. Isaac. Pass to Chelsea. That was like a physical right there. 4 minutes left in the third quarter. 39-32. Fibro white and yellow. Baloy. Kick out pass by Guerrero. Guerrero. Aray ko. Isaac. Pass to Baby Boy. Baby Boy. All the way. Wale. Pagkakuha ni Gold ball. Sabi? Ball out. Time out yellow. Time out yellow. Baloy. Ayan na si Baloy. Kumikilatis na naman si Baloy. Baloy. Pass it to Lucky. Nice pass back. Steve Rivers there. Arlen. Wala naman kaya. Nakuha si Baby Boy. Baby Boy. Baby Boy. Nakuha ni Baloy. Ang bilis na kami ng Baloy. Wale. But Isaac is there. Isaac. All the way running. All the way running. Isaac. With a screen. Double dribble by Isaac. 2 minutes and 45 seconds left in the third quarter. Baloy. Baloy na nagdadala ng bola sa Baloy. Baloy, hindi na. Sizing up. Kick out pass na. Wala. Nakuha ni Isaac. Isaac. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass it to B1. Pull up three. Not good. Paloy. Paloy lang mamadali. Nagmamadali ako lang gagawin ni Paloy. Kuminig sa gitna. Kuminig at may foul. Time out one. 4. Time out. Yellow team. Paloy, foul the ball. Pass to Superman. Superman with a turnaround with Tuyawan tabi di boy, goes in the middle, back to B1, B1 dribbling the ball, back to Tuyawan down guys, Alo, nahuli ng team, Tuyawan tabi di boy with a step back, Paloy, ayaw na lawan si Paloy, ayaw na lawan si Paloy, screen now. Bulak! Pumasi! Iba talaga, may inspirasyon. Pojanski! Patay ang bitin. Arki, pass to Baloy. Baloy, almost the shoulder. Behind the back, pass to Arkin, pull up 3. Arkin for 3. 40 seconds left in the third quarter. I said, pull up 3. Boom, I said, for 3. 30 seconds left in the third quarter. 49-35 in favor of the yellow team. Baloy. Gumagawa ng play. Bubulap na naman ang 3. Wala. Matibang may Arkin. Bossing Tuelo. Bossing. Pumasok si Bossing. Pasok si Maglay. Nakuha ni Isaac. 10 seconds left. Isaac all the way with a late. 5 seconds. Out and pass. Back for Jemski. For Jemski. Wala. It was a bad pass. That is okay for Jemski. Back to the ball game. Jalabi pounding the ball by Arkin. Arkin passing the ball. Pass to Superman. Allowing it for the play. Jalabi! Sayang nun, Kuya Long. Ball lang karata na yun sila. Passing baby boy! 2 points. 49-39. Ahabol pa ba ang White? Ahabol niya. Yellow, pass to Yellow, back to Arkin, turn around, wala. Go ball. 9-8-20 for first quarter. For what? For what? I said Lucky foul ball. But oh, it's stepping in the line, baby boy. Nakita ka ni referee. Lucky foul ball. Pass to Superman. Back to Kuyajan. Arkin. Jump. People. Pass to Lowry. Kung pwede tuloy na natin. Wala pa. Arkin is there. Arkin. Jump down. Goal ball. Sales. Sabre. Paloy. Lowry up. Sales warning for Madrid. Tuyanon. Diretso lang with a floater. Pass sa Maglay. Superman to the rebound. Lucky. Pass to Lloyd. Sales. Pass one sa pagkakas ng pulang 3. Oh, laki. Grabe ang asas mo laki, boy. Iba talagang iyan. Baloy. Passes Superman. Pull up. Grabe naman yun. Superman. Baloy. Pass to big boy. Pass to Paul Lagrada. Pass to Salas. Pull up three. Not good, but Isaac was there. But nakuha ni wala. Save ball. Sovereign. Normally, Jollibee out. Motion now, sabi ni James. Baloy. Nagdadala na wala. Para nakuha ni Norman. Arkin Master. Arkin. Pass to Norman. Pull up. Wala. Ball. Pass to Billboard. Uy! Teka na yun. Baloy. Ayan na naman si Baloy. Grabe nakikita niya pa yun. Pero tumilang normal again. But Cedric stole it. Cedric all the way. Running so fast. But may foul pa Baloy. Goal 18 foul. Second personal foul by Baloy. Pwede mo pang gawin ka doon yan, Baloy. Apat na ba na?
Let's go, Cedric!
Big boy. Go. 7 minutes and 60 seconds left. 59 in the fourth quarter. 51-42 in favor of yellow team. Guillanon. 7 minutes and 50. Baloy. Nagkadala na bola. Baloy. By Paul. Baloy. Pass to Norman. 2 points. Norman. That's unfortunate. That's his first 2 points. Doss. Nakakapakasan. Pass to Salas. Pagkalampasan. Kaso nahuli ng lead. Salas. Wala. But there's a foul for Superman. Breeze. Sarat. 19. Jollibee. Norman. First step. Good for Salas. One more down. Yo! Baloy. Ayan na naman si Baloy. Baloy sa sima. Ayan na si Baloy. Baloy, mag-start na iwan ng patay. Pass to Superman. Wala. At nakuha ni outside. Sabi? Borjanski. Paul. Pass to Big Boy. Pumayetso. Bumangka kay Superman na great ball of China. Laki pass to Baloy. Baloy. Sizing up. But he stole it. Ay nasi Juliano. Dos. Tawala ako wala kay Dos. Pagkakita niya si Paul. Baloyski. Nagdadala ng bola. Sizing up. Pass to Guillermo. Back to John Convento. Wala. Di ba may Superman? Sabre. Time out. Tama, White.
Hey, come in, guys.
Lawi. Ayan na nakita si Johnny Di Bueno. Wala dito may naman. But there's a foul by number. Number 10, White. Pochensky. Third personal foul by Pochensky. Galing ang Golden State tapos sa playoffs.
Isa.
Sa kasyagawa nila sa hito. Second attempt by Norman. Yo! Back! Lawi! Lawi back to sa foul by Liano. Sira. Naman yun. White. First personal foul by Baby Boy. Lauri Menes, pass to Alvin Castrillo. Nangihingi na skin kay Cuero. Kaso mahilig sa Kawati. Holding down. Sabrep. Pochensky out. Salas in. 4 minutes and 35 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 3-4-9 in favor of Yellow Team. Paul Lagrada. Passing to Dos. Dos looking for someone. Sares. Pumasok. Jumbo. Time out, Colonel. Time out. Yellow Team. Wala na po kayo yung time out. Sales, makinig na ball. Outlet pass by Tuyanon. Tuyanon, dire-diretso. Nakita niya si ball sa ilalim. Factor sa foul. Foul by Superman number 13. Warning for graduate. 4. Duyano, baby boy. Not good. Rebound by Steve River. Zales, Umeke. Out the boy. Ang ganda naman ang pass. Ayan na. Ang ganda na naman ang laban. Smart. Ayan na naman. Hindi na sila suway. Grabe na Maloy. Maloy. Pinasa kailangan mo. Pero, pass to Masrilo. Artie. Ayan na. Hindi na kasi. Kaso na kung kaya. Ayan na. Traveling violation. It's okay, McKay. Come in, she's McKay. Ballon for three. Grabe mo yun. Oy, may pangkat mo ay. Aray ko. Ang bagsak niya ni Bossing na muna ang sigaw. Ang sakit niya sa sigo, Bossing. Kalma ka lang. Penalty. Penalty for Yellow Team. 56-51 in favor of Yellow. Apat na lang ang kailangan mga kaibigan. First attempt by Kuya Sales. Pasok ang press attempt. Second attempt by Sales. Isang laibat, limang kay Kuya Long. Kuya Long. Diretso lang, pero pinasa niya kay Baloy. Baloy, ayaw na naman si Baloy. Tumitis kami si Baloy. Inaharas ang dalawang tao. Pero pwede sa Kuya Long. Lucky Kuya! That's a big shot by Lucky Boy. Kian Lucky. Bigyan na. Iba talaga ang pag-last game. Hassel to hassel. Dos nagdadala ng wala. Hinaharas ni Kian Lucky. Pag-hit crossover. Oh, between the legs. Pass to Paul. Paul. Out of pass by Sales. Baloy, nagdadala ng wala. Baloy. Dumidiskarte. Dumidiskarte na alas kay Paul. Umikot. Umeke. Kuya Long. Tumira. Wala. Super. There's a foul. Wide 23. Paul Grana. There's foul. Alay Osi. Hindi na kapakapan. Super. Nice shot. Super. Second attempt or Super. Yung malaman ang mga yellow. Dos. Nagmamalipat gas na kay Steve River. Paul lang na nagkakapasahan. Pinagka kay Baby Boy. Baby Boy. Gas na kay... Uy! Ang grabe na mga para ang Steve River. 61-57. Kuya Long. Kuya Long. Kuya Long. Kuya Long. Kalma lang, bossing. Time out. White team. Ball team has no time out. Back again. 61-57. Lamang ang yellow. Magandang kabalan to. Apat na lamang. 2 minutes na pinag-4 quarters. Sino kaya magwawagi? Ang dilabaw ang puti. Baloy, sizing up, pass-passing, Superman! We have 2 points, 63-57, lumawana na tayo, Tuyaman, tapos, pass to Sales, Sales nag-aaral ng kapasahan, pass to Dos, Dos, ayan na, pinasa na kay Paul, after big shot. 63 flag, mga yellow. 1 minute 37 of the fourth quarter. Ano kaya mangyari ang susunod? Baloy, pass to Arkin. Arkin, Arkin, back to Baloy. Kumuha ng tres, wala. Uy, may foul doon. Traffic. Pang-alam, Superman. Hindi ka pinitsa. John, para John O'Donnell. 2-0 for Paul Agrana. Lahat ng sa pinag. O hindi. Tatlong kalamangan ng yellow. Mapapasa ba lang ito? Yun lang ang rate ko. Pass River. Walang pressure ka na. Ang kailangan. Game na. Ayun na si ball. Long ball. That's 63-62 in favor of yellow. Paloy. Ayun lang si Paloy. Ano lang ang Paloy? Paloy. Sizing up. Sizing up. Dumidiskarte. Dumidiskarte. Crossover. Pinasok na kay Norman. Norman. Back to Paloy. Paloy. Magkano pa basta. Dumidiskarte. Ayan na. Jollibee. Back to Lani Boy. Very good 8 seconds left. Pumasok